In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass or fix the black screen issue on YouTube TV. When you try to play a video and the screen stays dark, but you can still hear audio. It's a common problem that can be super frustrating. But don't worry. There are a few solid fixes you can try from your couch. First, try closing the YouTube TV app completely. On most devices, just press the home button twice or use the Recent Apps menu, find YouTube TV and swipe it away. Then reopen it and see if the video loads properly. If that doesn't work, restart your streaming device or smart TV. Sometimes a quick reboot clears up glitches like the black screen issue. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause playback problems. Try streaming another service like Netflix or Hulu to see if they work smoothly. You should also make sure the YouTube TV app is updated to the latest version. Outdated software can definitely cause display issues. Another trick, try switching between Wi-Fi and Ethernet or clearing the cache if you're using an Android TV or Fire Stick. And if all else fails, sign out of your account and back in again. Sometimes re-authenticating your login fixes the problem. Thanks for watching. If one of these steps helped you bypass that annoying black screen on YouTube TV, drop a comment below and let me know which fix worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy streaming fixes. See you next time.